in which report of the Second Administrative Reforms Commission has identified citizen-centric administration as barriers of good governance in India? Correct answer, D. 12th report. Which among the following is a correct combination of members in Joint Committee on Office of Profit? Correct answer, A. 15 from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha. Total 25 members. Who of the following has not been an interlocutor on Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer, C. Shujat Bukhari. Which of the following Prime Minister of India never attended the Parliament during his tenure? Correct answer, A. Chaudhary Charan Singh. Fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, C. Part 3. Which of the following fundamental right is also known to have incorporated a necessary evil of the Constitution of India? Correct answer, D. Protection against arrest and detention in certain case. The President may issue a proclamation of emergency under Article 356 on receipt of a report from the Tapani of a state. Correct answer, a governor. Which of the following article deals with budget in the Constitution of India? Correct answer, C. 112. Which group of central services consists of clerical personnel? Correct answer, C. Group C. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected for how many years? Correct answer, D. 6 years. Which of the following statements is incorrect about Government of India Act 1935? Correct answer, D. It separated provincial budget from the central budget. Vice President of India is also ex officio chairman of Correct answer, B. Rajya Sabha. Which constitutional amendment shifted subjects like education, forests, protection of wild animals and birds, weights and measures from state list to concurrent list? Correct answer, C. 42nd. Who is empowered to remove the Advocate General of the state? Correct answer, C. Governor. When the posts of both the President and the Vice President are vacant, who among the following officiates as President? Correct answer, A. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Which of the following articles cover the provisions related to citizenship? Correct answer, C. Article 5 to 11. Does the President of India have veto power? Correct answer, A. Yes. On whose recommendation was the Committee on Public Undertakings created? Correct answer, C. Krishna Menon Committee. In which year the Modi government scrapped the Planning Commission of India? Correct answer, B, 2014. The number of subjects incorporated in the Union list is correct answer, 97. Which of the following writs guarantee personal freedom? Correct answer, C, habeas corpus. The justice described in the preamble of Indian Constitution has been accepted in which form? Correct answer, D, all options are correct. In which report of the Second Administrative Reforms Commission has identified citizen-centric administration as barriers of good governance in India? Correct answer, D, 12th report. Which among the following